I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just complete partition. If you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping, and you ain't been the same. Like, you been on your mind. Who got your time?
And 2 designer lamps. You get all 7 pieces for only $398 complete.
The following message is transmitted at the request of sheriff's departments, police agencies, and emergency managements in the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic, and the following counties in New York. New York cities including all boroughs, Nassau, Suffolk, and Westchester. Over the last 12 minutes, portals have suddenly appeared across the New York metro area. Blocky zombie-like creatures that many experts have claimed to be from the video game Minecraft have entered our world. These creatures have been reported to knock doors down and windows. There have even been reports that the people these zombie-like creatures kill rapidly turn into the zombies themselves. At this time, all residents in the warned area are urged to take cover. Get behind as many doors as possible. If you have a weapon, use it. Weapons can effectively kill these zombies. Do not evacuate. Repeat, do not evacuate. Evacuating may result in you being eaten and turned into one of these zombies. Please stay tuned to media outlets for all of the latest updates on this very dangerous situation.